This is a time delay relay module, and it's set for an output time of 4.10 seconds. If I go into the settings here, let's see if we can. Okay, P5, that's the program that we're using for this cycle. And there's where you would increase or decrease the output time for the relay. There's a 5-second delay between outputs. 5 seconds is kind of generous, but I'll leave it at that. And this is a setting for continuous cycling. You can hear the inductive heater fan running. There's a delay of the 5 seconds. Out is displayed as it goes through the output phase. Since the delay relay module is timing the on time on the inductive heater, the heat's pretty consistent. You can see the discoloration lines pretty much level across the cases there. This is 280 Remington.